Is there something better than a chocolate cake, especially when that cake is ready in less than 10 minutes? When you will bite into this cake, you will feel the crunchy bites that comes from the biscuits and very exotic flavor that comes from dry cranberries and candied pineapple. Be sure to watch this video until the end so you can see my hack on how to chill this cake and make it even faster. So let's start cooking. In a bowl, crack the biscuits to smaller pieces. In the same bowl, add in chopped walnuts, candied pineapple, and dried cranberries. Stir until all of the ingredients are well mixed and transfer the mixture to a bigger bowl. In a saucepan, add milk, butter, granulated sugar, vanilla extract, cocoa powder. Heat the whole mixture until the butter and sugar are fully melted. Stir well, and while the mixture is still hot, pour to the dry ingredients. With the help of a spatula, carefully stir the whole mixture until everything is well incorporated. Transfer the cake mixture to your favorite cake mold. I'm using my rectangle springform pan with removable bottom. With the help of a spatula, press down the mixture and smooth it out. Usually for this cake it's necessary to stay and chill in fridge for minimum of 4 hours, but if you are running out of time and your guests are just around the corner, you can place it in freezer for about 30 to 40 minutes. Just before serving, in a bowl over a simmering water, melt the white chocolate and glaze the whole cake. Sprinkle some dried cranberries and chopped walnuts on top before slicing. Who would thought that for this flavor you will need just a few minutes? The best part of it is that the recipe doesn't ask for any baking, and that makes the recipe perfect for your upcoming guests. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking until the next time.